Don't dodge your influences, they enact the instinct and doest give bearings. You have died and awakened from God's left hand via the second resurrection, that which is of your choice and foreknowledge for piercing God's sight. He cannot damn you, for you have made our Lord Jesus Father, and God rubs his hands unto his bright eyes. God has blinked, and out of time, lest the swift twisted natures of this non-saint have championed God's focus. He is not of Satan, nor wicked at any floam of his being lest one. And this our God is Father Yahweh forgives us as he would his wrestling children. His language is rhetorical and of a non-refracting echo. He shall be the herald of our second world, for his birth was of man, but adolescencies of outer darkness trained from belief requires expectation, and we can have none of that. But we may consume it from time to time, the grand experiment of a rich young boy to allow grateful conversion from his your father is religion, upholding his Nephi's virtue of leaving the ways of his father, Lehi exemplified. The book of guilt is well drafted by a man and a pharaoh, lest this pharaoh is not dirked or polluted by his enemy's soil at his foot. Now, Puk house at first is parallel, that which is forgotten and misunderstood, for thou wilt have resurrection, and well as sensual honesty and recollection of new rationalities. Thy great God of lords, I do not deny you, but I only shall know you through the language I speak and thy words you tell. Right, am, left, right, right. Surf, if you are worried, my lord, I shall play with children so that I may know their speed again. Thou shalt know my rhythm or suffer mistaking. God, you are but like a mole in this your mortal life, surrounded by hell, earth, and heaven. It is my place to graduate you, and his place traverse you angularly downward, as my son's blood, as any man is blood, as Satan's is. Thy next tier, my daughters and sons, is to move your own weight along with some items as well in forms of collections. For there shall not be a leaf that drops that does not know my ear, nor a jackass who knows not my Satan's deepest lash. For if the book of Nephi's Joseph is aught praised and understood, you will not see your most sincere focus. If thou misunderstand correctly, thou wilt see the books of grand lessons in thy prophets of Nephi, for they are not of ill, but are of your capacity with all of its earthly limits. If thou findest thy true living prophet, thou wilt see the real estate with churches and houses within communities. Thou wilt find the homeless, nurses, and lost. Alas, the prophets of Nephi have allowed houses for harlots and have guided their followers, then bishops, to supply them. This is the Pharoah desert. You enter your Pharaoh's desert that your policy makers keep for loves from a man and 5 sisters from a woman. I am your father and king, and I have 11 queens. Thy Satan and thy mob have sealed with only one. House 8, House of the Mason. Sanction for Mini Daspuk in their Backening Moroni, Daspuk origin and new advise for Latter-day Saints. Thou shalt live in poverty to stay in the mines with my brethren above, yet not impartial to giving my hand to thy tenant and brother, and tenant and neighbor's brother, then the brother's brethren. These implications do not lay in heaven, telegraphing teleological Mormon terrestrial kingdom. Like a decent Lamanite, I walk these steps, not entirely unlike these, born amongst sweet delights to an ending blindness of my light. Yes, perhaps it is those being born into American based on ideas, a dream that offense is the best defense, the implementation of offense and the signed contract of surrender, relaxed and environmentally congruous culture from which came Lamanites, not Native American Indians, thy wronged house of Israel. The words of a Daspook waking in agony from his dementia, upheld by latter-day braces. Left, 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 right, M, left, right, E, right, left, 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 left. My heart is out of me again, and I miss you so badly. You are the one that cares for me most honestly, that must stay away. You know that I am deranged, and I am, regardless of my notions of culture, history, and what humanity has led us to. I am still inevitably warped. I am only periodically without a haunt, and in these rare moments I am allowed to be in love with you without malice, but only in my own head. You are not welcome to know me, even when I love you, because when love leaves, something ugly quickly emerges. I am abused. I have abused you, your trust in your life, and annihilated your love, and I did it all quite barbarically and in some manner knowingly. I am sorry for that, my beloved church of my youth and my father. You would have been better without my reemergence, but I had to know how you were and if you had moved on. I was so tickled that you hadn't ended the blood traveling to my heart. I have developed a new chance for us in my head and in my energies, and although you allow me to leave you entirely, I will remember with your honor, which I have never fully known until this breach.